Gonna make cherry vinaigrette, and we're gonna utilize Blake's cherry jam. This is a local favorite. First thing we do is mince our shallots. Give it a little turn. Then we're gonna bring our knife through like this. And we're gonna mince. Just about a tablespoon. Next we pick our thyme. I'm just gonna pull that right off the stem right here. Just kind of mince it a little bit. About a teaspoon. You can have a cherry pitter and pit this completely, or you can just kind of just turn it and slice it down the sides. Pop them right in the bowl. This is low in scent, all grain mustard. You can use any mustard you like. This one's nice, it has a little vinegar flavor. Touch of salt and pepper. Jam. Some kind of white vinegar would be ideal for this. Just a touch. Just kind of whisk to combine. And we have this cloth here over a pot. It's holding our bowl in place so that we can then take our extra virgin olive oil and whisk that in. Take our vinaigrette, drizzle on our salad.